What made me start YouTube? How many hoes you got? Are you toxic? What's your type? So if y'all didn't know, I'm a little... Hey besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. As y'all can tell by the title of the video, we're doing a get to know me tag so y'all can get to know me because this is my first official video. Clap it up, clap it up. Yes, so I'm just gonna let y'all be nosy and get to know a little bit about me. I asked my Instagram for some questions and I wrote them all down, so let's just get into it. So the first question is, what's my name and where did my YouTube name come from? So my name is Ehren, and as you can tell, my YouTube name is Ehren Morgan. So it's really just my name, my first and my middle name. So Ehren Morgan, that's me, and that's my name on everything. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, type in Ehren Morgan. If you want to follow me on Twitter, type in Ehren Morgan. Yeah, that's right. If you want to follow me on TikTok, type in Ehren Morgan. So yeah, that's really it. What is my age/zodiac sign? I am the big 2-0, but I will be 21 in March. Yes, I'll be turning 21, and I am a Pisces. So yeah. Are you single or taken? I am single, very, very single. So if you think I'm cute, feel free to slide them DMs. Favorite place you visited in 2023? So the 3 major places I went in 2023 were Miami, Houston, and New York. It's really between Miami and New York because in Miami I went on a yacht, and that was so much fun. I had so much fun on that yacht. So either that or New York. New York was really fun. It was a really quick trip though. I was there from like Friday to Sunday. But I had a lot of fun in New York. So I don't know. It's between them two. So, What is my favorite song? I don't know what my like overall favorite song is. But 3 songs that got me in a chokehold right now are Praise Him in Advance by Marvin Sapp, BP by Summer Walker, and Prove It by 21 Savage and Summer Walker. So yeah, them are my 3 songs right now. Okay, so the question is, what's your type? So if y'all didn't know, I'm a little, yeah, and I mainly date studs, like studs, stems, really studs, and my type is so my type, I like sassy studs. Not like I don't like no super stud. Like, I need you to know that you're a girl. I need you to act like a girl. I need you to have like some girl mannerisms. Like, I don't like, if I wanted a super stud, I might as well go be with a boy. No, I need you to still be feminine in ways. So like, I like sassy studs, and I like studs with locks. You don't gotta have locks, but I like studs with locks. I like them to be like my color or darker. I got a thing for athletes. But yeah. You gotta know how to dress. You got to know how to dress. Like, you gotta, you feel me, like to look good. Like, I need you to put that on. You gotta put that on. You feel me? You gotta look good. I would prefer for them to be like my height or taller, because I am 5'6", but that's kind of hard because, you know, studs be coming micro size. It'd be hard to find some tall studs. But yeah, preferably my height or taller. What else? Pretty teeth. Yeah. And then, but y'all, I don't only date studs. Well, I don't only like studs. I like films too. And as far as films, I really don't have that much of a preference. I just really don't like really, really short films because like I said, I am 5'6", which isn't super tall, but I'm also not short. Like, I'm a good height. You feel me? I'm a good height. I'm a little long leg, long limbed. So like really like 5'3" or taller, preferably. But overall, you just gotta be a bad bitch. You just gotta be a bad bitch. You don't gotta be super thick. You don't gotta be super skinny. You don't gotta be light skin, dark skin, brown skin. None of that. You just gotta be a bad bitch. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Do you want to completely move out of Indy after college? If so, where? Okay, so if you didn't know, I am from Indy, aka Naptown, aka Indianapolis, Indiana. And I do currently attend college in Nashville, Tennessee. I go to TSU, you know. Yeah. Do I want to move out of Indy? Yes, I do. I really hope to. Hi, Bean. You wanna get up here? Hold on, brief intermission. Y'all say hi to Bean. This is Willow, aka Willow Bean, aka Bean. But yeah, after college, I really don't want to move back to Indy at all. Like, the day after I graduate, I want to be ready to go to where I need to go, because I really don't want to stay in Nashville either. So hopefully I can move to like either Houston or Atlanta. Those are my top two as of right now, but I still have a year and a half to decide and get everything figured out. So that's where we at with it. How many trips do I want to take in 2024? Well, as of right now, I have one plan for my birthday. Yeah. I ain't even gonna tell y'all where we going yet, but y'all coming with me, of course. I already bought y'all ticket, so it's cool. Y'all don't gotta worry about the ticket. Y'all don't gotta worry about the B&B. I already booked all that. Just pack y'all bag and we hit the road. I'm gonna send y'all the itinerary though, so y'all feel me, so y'all ready. But yeah, so we gonna anyways, yeah, so we got a trip planned for our 21st birthday. And then past that, I don't got nothing else planned. It's kind of hard to take a lot of vacations while in college because I be having to be in class. But yeah, I hope I can take at least like 4, hopefully like 2 this summer, and then 1 like in the fall and stuff. But we'll see. Well, I'm supposed to be going somewhere in the fall for my friend's birthday, so hopefully I can get 4. But like I said, we'll see. How would you describe your personality? I think I'm really fun. I think I'm sweet. I think I'm cool. But I do have a smart mouth and I do talk a lot of shit. And you just gotta be able to keep up. Like, I'm not mean, but I do talk shit. And my mouth is smart. But I'm actually really nice. I'm really sweet. And I'm really caring. So, yeah. That's just that. Y'all, this bang is getting on my nerves. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It is getting on my nerves. I know y'all see me keep touching it. Whatever. Okay. How many kids do I want? I want 3 kids. I want 3 kids. It doesn't matter if it's like 2 girls, 1 boy, or 2 boys, 1 girl. I just know I want 1 of each. And I prefer to have my boy first. But if I'm my girl first, whatever. But yeah, I want 3 kids. What's my favorite color? My favorite color is pink. Yeah, I'm that type of girl. I love pink. All things pink. I got a lot of pink stuff. My room is real pink. Pink, 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 pink. I keep looking over here. I need to look right here. I'm sorry, y'all. Pink. 3 goals I want to accomplish this year. I want to build a better relationship with God. I want to get into church. I want to get into reading the Bible, praying more, just building a better relationship. That's my number 1 goal. And then 2, my content creating career, I needed to take off. I just want to build my platforms as far as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. I want to work with other brands, work with other YouTubers. I want to do collaborations. I want to build a platform, my audience. I just want all of that. And then another thing, if y'all didn't know, I am a photographer. I'm gonna put my ad right here so y'all can check out my photography page. But I have kind of been on like a hiatus for like the last year and a half. So that's something I need to get back into, and I am going to get back into. So that's another goal. I just need to get my portfolio back rolling because I need to have that ready come time I graduate, because that's what I want to do. I want to be a photographer. Did y'all hear my stomach? I'm hungry. But yeah. Okay. The other question, the next question is, how long have I been interested in photography and what sparked my interest? So I started photography the beginning of 2020, and what sparked my interest was my mentor slash big sister. I had booked her for my Sweet 16 photo shoot, and at the time I already owned a camera and like would just like play with it, taking pictures of like my niece and just I'm on vacation, take pictures outside, like, you know, just a little stuff. But at my photo shoot, my mama was talking to her, being a mama, and was like, oh yeah, Ehren's into photography, she has a camera, yada yada yada. So then a few months later, my sister reached out to me and she asked me was I still interested in photography, and was I willing, like, did I want to learn more, because she had classes coming up, and she was like, if so, you can take my classes, and it's been up since then. I will put her app right here too if y'all want to check her out. If you're from Indy, you already know who Erica is. If not, it's her app. So yeah. How am I liking college? Don't get me the line now, y'all. College is college. I honestly have a love-hate relationship with it. It just depends on the month. It depends on when you're asking me. It depends on who's asking me. Y'all, college is college. It really honestly is what you make of it. And I don't have the most traditional experience when it comes to college. So, but it's cool. As of right now, though, we cool. We rocking. You feel me? I'm almost done. I got 1.5 years left. We just gonna get it done. But you feel me? It's college. My favorite food. Y'all. My favorite food is tacos. My favorite food is tacos. Authentic tacos from the taco truck. 3 steak tacos to be specific, y'all. So if you're ever wondering like what to give me and how to make me feel better, or just want to make me happy, give me 3 steak tacos, onion, cilantro, cheese with a side of sour cream, green sauce, and limes. Yeah, that will make my day, and I'll be so happy. And they just I just love tacos, y'all. I swear I do. And then Cajun chicken Alfredo pasta. And I know how to make a good pasta too, y'all. I'm gonna record a video on that one day, so y'all can cook it for y'all, me or whatever. As far as personal growth, what's one of my main goals this year? One of my main goals this year is to just put myself first in all situations. To put my feelings first, to set boundaries, and just ride for me how I be riding for other people. Ride for me. Yeah, I'm better. So, one of my friends is so messy. She gonna ask me how many people am I in love with. Y'all, that is so messy, ain't it? Like, why would she ask me that? I am not in love with nobody but myself. Like, I don't know. Why would she ask me that? Where do you see yourself in 10 years? In 10 years, I just hope that I am happy. I am successful. I am living comfortably. I am really experiencing life. Hopefully, I am building a family, or I have a family. Hopefully, I'm married. If somebody want to marry my little crazy tail self, we'll see. But hopefully, I'm married. Hopefully, I got a kid or two. Just living a good life. Period. Happy, healthy, good. Just good. Like, I want to, not even good, great. I just want to be, y'all get it. Are you toxic? Depends on who you ask. It honestly depends on who you ask. Do I think I'm toxic? Maybe just a little bit, but not too much. I don't really think I'm toxic. I don't know. When you play with my feelings, when my feelings is hurt, my feelings speak for me. My feelings take over my emotion, like my thought process. Like, when I'm in my feelings, that's all I can see, breathe, think, feel is like. So it's like, I don't know. But I don't just lash out and do no crazy stuff. But like, I'm also not that peaceful either. So But I'm not that toxic, really, honestly. Everybody love me. Don't nobody hate me. All the old love me still good. Yeah. Everybody still loves me, so can't be that bad. What are your hobbies? I do lashes. I like to cook. I'm a photographer. I like to do art. I like to like draw and paint and just create things, like do DIYs. I'm very like I don't know say I'm very artsy. Like I like to just create things overall. I'm a creator. I'm an overall creator. How many hoes you got? I got you and your mama, like, you feel me? That's about it. I ain't really got no hoes right now. You feel me? I'm cool. My top 3 artists, I'm gonna give it to, currently, I'm gonna give it to SZA, Mariah, the Scientist, and Summer Walker. They are just who I listen to the most. I'm very much an R&B, sappy type of girl. That's just me. Okay, lastly, what made me start YouTube? So what made me start YouTube is, for one, I've always wanted to do YouTube. Like, since I was in elementary, I've always done YouTube on and off. I didn't have so many channels. I didn't have a channel with my old best friend. Like, I've had my own personal channels, but everything I'm pretty sure is taken down, except for me and my old best friend. I think that's still up. But I've always done YouTube on and off. I've always just recorded myself and just been into this type of stuff. I just never stuck to it. And then like recently, especially within like this past year, I've noticed that like I film myself a lot. Like when I'm out with my friends, when I'm by myself, when I'm running errands, like I do mock vlogs like all the time. All the time. And it's like, you might as well turn it into a YouTube and take it serious. Like, you might as well. You do it anyway, so yeah. So I decided to actually, this is me actually putting forth the effort and trying to really be intentional with my videos and make a YouTube